Well, it is the time of the year for potholes, and we're going to address a legal situation involving potholes today. For the Law and You, joining us as always, our attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Nice to see you guys so cheery on a Monday.
Cold enough for you?
Yeah, I think we're at this point getting tired of the cold, but never tired of the questions our viewers are sending in. This is from Tom in Wilkes-Barre, and he says, I was driving to work the other day and another car swerved to avoid a pothole. My car has about $5,000 in damages, and I haven't been able to work since because my hand was broken. Who was responsible, the guy that swerved or the city?
Well, Tom, they're both kind of responsible here. First of all, the guy that swerved has the responsibility to keep his car under control at all times. Whether there's a pothole or anything else in the road, I mean, that's generally the law. Now, the city, they have a responsibility to make sure that the roads are not in a dangerous condition. And if there's a huge pothole in the road that this guy has to swerve to avoid, then the cities can be partially responsible for that as well, your injuries and your lost wages. I'll let Greg tell you a little bit more about kind of the specifics of it, what you have to do to recover, but that's generally speaking the way it goes.
What you're going to want to do is obviously put the city on notice. They're a municipal authority, and make sure the road is in the city, because you got to understand, for example, in the city of Wilkes-Barre, there's streets that are controlled by the state. So you got to make sure you have the right defendant. Then you're going to want to, sue the driver of the vehicle also, and then they can sort it out, because really you did nothing wrong. So it's going to be between the guy that hit you and the pothole, which would be the city. And just make sure you're documenting your damages and keeping track of everything that's occurred.
All right, some good advice, and I have a feeling we're going to have more issues with potholes given the way this winter has gone so far. So if you find yourself in that type of legal situation and you need help of our attorneys, how can our viewers reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And in addition to answering the hotline, Greg will start filling potholes around the city to make sure that the roads are safe. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll answer it on an upcoming segment.
Tell you what, that Greg is a real community guy.
Oh, he's a worker.
Absolutely.
He's a worker.
All right. So attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, results matter. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget, we'll feature your question here on the show if you go to pahomepage.com or give us a call.